Hello and welcome again to our lesson. This is the fifth lesson of 2024. We are looking at Fet timetabling. Uh, from our previous lessons, we had already entered information about days, subjects, activity tasks, teachers. Now we are supposed to enter information about students. So quickly come to the students section and click years. These are forms and classes or grades. So we shall add one that stands for either form one or grade one or class one. Just click OK. You can actually put the number of students if you want, but for our timetable we might not really need this. So put two again. The warning is simply because we've not put the number of students. Shouldn't worry you so much. Finally, four. You can put all the numbers that represent all the classes that are concerned with you. Uh, you can save that. Next, we click, we answer groups. We have, okay, add. We have E, South, and maybe North. I think three groups are enough for the tutorial. We also add E, South, North. That's done. We have already entered information about groups and the subgroups. We can close that. Now, what is remaining is to go to activities. Now, up to this point, you have already entered the basic information you need for this particular timetabling system. However, before you enter the activities, you must have the subject teacher student matrix with you ready defined. For instance, uh, if I check my teachers, for instance, teacher Benjamin, you need to know the subjects teacher Benjamin is teaching, in which particular group and subgroup, how many lessons for each subject, and how each of them is supposed to be distributed. What do I mean? For instance, if a subject needs to appear before a break, you need to know that. If a subject has a total of 5 lessons in an entire week, you need to know in advance. If a subject has a double, you need to know in advance. If a subject is taught simultaneously with another subject, you need to know in advance. And just before we go to that, I will do my next lesson. I will be doing comprehensively the subject matrix so that you understand how to do your subject matrix. I will also explain how the doubles and periods are supposed to be configured into the timetabling system. So up to this point, I believe we are okay, and up to that point, we should be good to go. I just remembered that yesterday I did not finish information about hours, so we can finish on that, so that next we just fill that particular information going